Do not touch. Do not touch.
Like my past life, my demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom past. Bite the dust while I dash. The villain gets the last laugh. Thought I had the white hat, but I did some dirt, now it's black. Who gon' smoke? I got gas. Who gon' choke? Who gon' gag? Who gon' boast? Who gon' brag? Who on most of this rap when I goes in my path?
Hello. All. Spotty Jam Live You Want It Live Meo this night in listening it, URL.
Ich gehe nochmal scheißen und dann sind wir wieder zurück. Back in the game. Hoe just think a potato that you go Mac? Oh, that's just a Ford. Hahaha. Gibt's ja keinen Rückspiegel nicht. Achtung, nicht erschrecken. Ich will in meinen Rückspiegel schauen, es ist keiner da. Das ist so dämlich. Ach, was du da tust. Du Sauhund mit meiner Vorfahrt. Tasty. War leicht auf die Sprünge, ne? Jo.
One, two, three, let's go! Show them what you got. Step on the pedal to the metal.
Everything done. Boah, ist das schön neblig draußen. Like silent hill, man. Unter 34 Wassergrund Rekord. Ja, schon ja. Noch eine Runde. Noch eine Runde. Der Zaubergeist. Der in die Windel scheißt.
Get those wheels as hot as Phoenix Flames!
Dann kannst du anhalten, ist ja kein Problem. Jawohl, neuer Rekord. Player made for. Was will er denn jetzt? Das ist so ein Spaß, Alter. Ach, das hab ich auch noch nicht gehört. Hör auf, Alter, sagt er got it. Ja, dann got it. Ja, geht doch. Was ist denn los mit dem Scheiß? Endzeit Crisis, Alter. Wow.
Crazy! Oh wait, we're just starting, aren't we?
Oh, that music, man. What the fuck is this? Seelenverstaubung.
Let the Eurobeat guide you to the finish line. I have high hopes for you.
We're not done yet tonight. Need to go to pee, be right back. Thank you very much for watching me a while. Fucking like Silent Hill 1 on the PlayStation 1 as well in here. And our little village. They say 1,000 people live in here? Bullshit. 4,000 maybe. Come, buddy boss. Also alles krasses. Oh my. Platin DjVolgin, Platin DefRekka Takeshisaru aka Yamamoto Unijiro. And now it's time for DefNation's EP, and in the end, a January for DefNation for real. I'm good. I'm playing here while on DjVolgin, actually a lot of other video games. Being a part of construction worker. 21 years now. Cheers up. Keep high. Let's rock. Silly, score. Next week. Oh, it's my first exotic ride, actually W70. There we go. Average I just got since the last 4.5 months. In 4 different accounts. See if you need it in the future. Oh, 24 is just much. Looks like a destroyed car. It looks like a destroyed car somehow. Oh, the Lego era. That was before DefNation for real, actually. I thought about this account for 1 month ago. Crazy. What kind of a destruction of a car it is. Like attack. Lamborghini Revoluta. Revuelto. Revuelto. God damn it. Something in peace. The cheese. He's an S car. Definitely. Yeah. Actually, I thought we got one, but we not own that car. It's very poor. What is it anyway? I can't remember. Nice. Doesn't matter. Another one. Another struggle. Struggle continues. First time ever got in this road tonight. Skippy, skippy, skippy. Get a run. some style coins. Be fast. Wow. Ich glaube, mein Controller ist kaputt oder so. Ah, ich schaff das wieder nicht, ey, ist ja klar. Einmal ein bisschen gegen die Wand gefahren, das war schon wieder, ey. Es ist so langweilig, das Spiel. Einmal gegen die Wand gefahren, meine Fresse. Leckt mich doch am Arsch. Ja, macht's doch euer Ding. Du kannst jetzt dein Auto aufpushen, was du willst, es bringt gar nichts. Okay, lass den AI fahren. Vielleicht haben wir gewonnen dann oder auch nicht. Keine Ahnung, ich gehe auf Scheiß aus jetzt. Ich hab so die Schnauze schon wieder voll. Du kannst schon nicht mehr weiter vorwärts fahren. Ja, jetzt kommt wieder Scam. Mach dein Scam doch endlich mal. Das pisst mich, es kostet mich so viel Zeit. Mach doch dein Ding. Da levelst du auf und gewinnst eigentlich und es gewinnt nicht. Fick dich doch ins Knie. Du fährst eine Rank fucking D-Karre und die fahren S oder so. Du hast keine Chance. Ein Fehler und du kannst das ganze Scheißding nochmal wiederholen. Nach 3 Minuten wiederholt nochmal und wiederholt. Macht ja keinen Fehler. Du musst so perfekt sein, du darfst keinen einzigen Fehler machen. 1 gegen 7. Wunderbar. Keine Chance. 0. Du musst schon eine S-Renker haben, Alter, damit du hier einfach nur so gewinnst. Scheißspiel. Wirklich ein Scheißspiel. Vorgegebene Drecksautos, währenddessen die S-Autos fahren. Hast eine Viper und allen Scheiß. Du musst so eine billige Karre fahren, die du aufpimpen musst. Halt doch's Maul, ist das Spiel langweilig. Scheiß Franzosen. Hauptsache 50 Millionen Stunden dran hängen und immer wieder verlieren. Gang und gäbe bei dem Dreckspiel. Gang und gäbe. Hauptsache du wirst richtig runtergemacht. Kein Bock mehr drauf, Alter. Spielen wir Mortal Kombat, Alter. Scheiß auf das Dreckspiel. Wenn es hier nicht weitergeht, bin ich sofort entweder raus oder bis 0 Uhr, Alter, Mortal Kombat. Mir scheißegal. Bringt nur Unglück. Halt doch's Maul, das ist unmöglich. Es ist unmöglich. Du brauchst einen Ferrari. Du brauchst einen Lambo, Alter. Immer dieselbe Scheiße. Die locken dich mit Angeboten. Das ist ein Scam ohne Ende. Scam. Maybe next year got a blueprint. Maybe. A pure shit game. Ja, schafft man nicht. Scheißegal. Das war's. Game over. Geht nicht mehr weiter. Halt doch's Maul, ist das ein scheiß Dreckspiel, Alter. Brauchen wir gar nicht weitermachen. Haben wir alles verloren schon. Ja, klar doch. Du musst da alles gewinnen, um das zu gewinnen, damit du das eventuell gewinnst. Halt doch's Maul, ist das ein Scheißspiel, Alter. Ein dreckiges, unfaires, dreckiges Karrierespiel. Du hast alle Autos der Welt und es ist egal, was die denken. Du kommst nicht mehr weiter. Ein Drecksladen hoch 3. Ja klar, kaufen wir uns den auch noch für 100 Euro oder so. Fick dich doch ins Knie, oder kaufen wir doch einen richtigen R.i.P oder P1. Das Spiel ist so peinlich, Alter. Du hast alle Autos der Welt und richtig Vollgas alle aufgezüchtet und keins gilt. Deswegen scheiß den Multiplayer an. Vergiss den Multiplayer, Alter. Keine einzige Chance. Null Chance. Null Chance. Da kannst du, das Auto ist maximalisiert. Ich komme nicht weiter. Dieses Arschdreckspiel ist absichtlich so gestaltet, dass du nur Geld ausgibst. Absolutes, dreckiges, verfotztes Mistspiel. Keine Chance. Was sagen die da so? Got it, ja. Where do you get it? Nirgendwo eigentlich. Nirgendwo. Ja, genau, da wo ich es brauche, da brauche ich es. Aber ich brauch's halt und ich krieg's nicht. Absolutes Scheißspiel, Alter. Absolutes, dreckiges Scam-Shit-Game. Scam. Das einzige where I just was get. Ah, fuck yourself, you idiot. Impossible to win in here. Impossible. The real asshole situations. This game is a piece of shit for 0 to 5 stars, nothing more. Two minutes, push, bullshit. This is not fair. This is impossible. They'll not let you win. Because they know you actually have a little bit of freak out, or they let you know actually you'll be a piece of shit. AI versus super AI. Driving actually a double kind of faster car, they give a fuck on you. Can't be the fastest driver here. Yeah, look at that, what the kind of a shit is this? And I'm losing, and that's it. I can't win anymore. One mistake, you're off. One mistake and you're off. And the next guy is coming behind me. I can't catch him. Impossible. You know, we got the chance. The road, my soul. I hate it. Who cares? What the fuck? Here we go again. kind of a shit menu is this? Yes, I ordered. Can I have it? No? Okay, fuck yourself. This game is a piece of shit. Thanks to give away money. Fucking surrounding music. That's it, my sir. Kick ass. But I'm gonna toilet and be right back then. Come with me. Come on, let's keep them more moving. Booyaka! Nah, I need to get a taller the PR. Hey, Snooky. What you never turn to the top and the top and the up with a roller light time up and a button and a mason time. Lift in the tower, well learned tires. I need 2 beers. That's all. That's for tonight. For the third plotting in this game. Biru, huh? Så det ska. We never meet us again. We never meet us again. Take it as? Taraimasu. Makashi ble. Wood. Or not. Nitro time. Hydro time. Sumasu suka baguette. Do we have the car after 4 months? No. On 4 accounts? No. In 4 months, better say in 6 months, I get actually 4 accounts on Platin without the Legend Pass. And you bastards need 7 years for that, for 1 account. Oh, you're really losers. Oh, well, you pussy. What, Nitro? Got the spade. Ja, genau. Ha, cheater. Fucking cheater. I try to beat him, I beat him, and exactly in the same time he's overrounding me. What an asshole you are. You fucking cheater. You've been a cheater, you know that? Jetzt muss ich wieder 5 Sekunden einstrafen, wo er 1 Sekunde brauchen darf. Du fucking dreckiger, mieser Scheiß-Cheater, du elendiger. This is the game! Bullshit shit! I beat him, he's coming back in 1 second. I crash, he coming back in 5 seconds, so it means plus vertical 24 seconds I lost. An asshole he is! This game is a piece of shit! A piece of shit! And let's do it again then. He win anyway. He's a fucking AI. He's an asshole. If you don't win, he's winning. Yeah, blah blah. I don't care then. Fuck yourself. If you crash them, he's coming back in 1 second. If you crash, you need a minute actually to keep them motherfucking off. A shit game. A pure shit game. An unfair shit game. Even you crash them 4 times, he's back in seconds. If you crash, you need a 10 seconds below. Fuck this shit. He's 10 seconds below you. You can't hit him anymore. You need to be perfect in this game. Super perfect. This game should actually get on a rotten list. A real asshole game. Fuck this game. A real asshole game. Yeah, blah blah in green. Yeah, bullshit. Here we go again. Bullshit shit cores. Can normally drive by itself, but this game is a bullshit shit game. A bullshit shit game. I'm wasting time. Gegenseitig hassen sollten. Hass. Perfektion, bla bla bla. Long way to go to platin. 8 minutes in front of 8. What's that? 8 minutes in front of 22 o'clock, 10 minutes. But I don't care what I'm talking about anymore. Nobody's care anyway. Because nobody's watching anyway. And here we go, you're in the last place. And let's do it again. You have a lot of resources, man. Bullshit game. Bullshit game! The order of Nazism? Fuck yourself. This is DefNation. Primarily Premium Legend.
Yo.
Yeah, lol.
WSG.
You're being a piece of shit shotgun. I don't need to win in here. I just racing. But you little fucking children, you have no announcement. And go fuck yourself. Dimitri Bavaria, yeah, greetings. But you don't understand German. And get away with your fucking yaw, man. You're not fucking be a superstar or something, actually you say yaw. You're not even be a bra to me, nothing else, man. You're unconscious, a dirt person for me. You say, hello, what's going on? Not to say yaw. What kind of an asshole you are? To say yaw to some Persian, man. I'm German Bavarian, and you say to myself, as I speak German Bavarian, because I grow up there, and you say yaw. What an asshole shit is this movement? Or you have to tingle down actually too much sugar or something? A yaw is like actually you dope pie guy who's 60 years old and have no manners. You say, hello sir, nothing more, and shut the fuck up, you talking now. Next time you say to everybody else, you live streamers, and saying actually, yes sir, hello sir, and not yaw. What kind of a generation you are, man? Totally lost, I'm not talking to you, man, anymore. What the fuck is this kind of people are? Yaw. As we know each other or something, we are brothers. You know me or something? You must be a totally stupid idiot. IQ of a 41 or something. Stop your fucking talking breath. Don't talk to me, man. Yo, what's that? Yo, how you know I'm speaking English anyway? Because actually normally I'm speaking 100% German Bavarian. Google your fucking shit cell phone where Germany is. For you, maybe in your mind it's China or something. You fool, you fucking idiot. We rule the world in Europe, man. Not America. Yo, what's that fucking garbage shit?
You know what?
Are you hunting for the garbage cans or something? Cause your mother just left you? Fucking hell, what the hell is wrong with you? New York actually, I shoot you for that shit.
Start talking.
Yo, you coming up, yo. In New York, I really shoot you, man. Stop talking like that, real gangster style. You're not even white or black. What the fuck, stop das shit. Und das muss ich mir anhören von so einem vollen Kollegen, Alter, der schon 6 Jahre alt ist. Willst du mich beleidigen oder was? Hör auf mit dem Scheiß, Alter, mit deinem yo. Sag, hello, sir. It'd be a pleasure something to be in here. I just want to let you know you are a piece of shit by driving. Or something like, but you
It's
say,
1v1
yo,
talking.
stop commanding, man. Do you let me actually out speaking? No.
Okay.
Magst du das? Ja, thank you very much. Hätte ich das Englisch nicht gelernt,
so
Alter.
Argo.
Yeah, you just leave, please, leave, man.
Sibao. I
Skibbity,
don't
whatever
care.
you're talking. Gosh, where are we from, goddammit? Slaughterland or Chocolate Land? What the fuck you living at, man? You never was get stabbed, was in jail in the army or something, 20 years in construction work, coming up with this yaw. Dude, I'm actually talking like actually a youth person, like 4 years old. Holy moly, man. Get your pampers on, just pissed yourself. Stick up your foot up in your ass and break it, maybe. Trying to do it. Maybe your father helps you out to actually get your milk teeth off. With a door handle or something, I don't know. Please stop this. These being actually be all cool or something. You are retarded, not cool. You have no chance to actually react between 1980s to 2020. You're so outsourced. Stop that stuff. I can talk about that one because I learned about that one. I grew up in the Bavarian farmhood. And I'm speaking English, Japanese, and fucking stupid Bavarian German. What the fuck you are presenting in here? Yo, man!
1v1 or
I'll
no.
be something better than you. You're not even working or something. Was maybe not even going gratitude about your high school in America. What kind of shit is this with high school musicals? Shut off the shit. Never was in America. And I was speaking like an American because I'm a Bavarian German. Be educated and don't tell people, yeah. Say hello, sir. That makes more effort than you never know. And you already get the next time and the next day it might be a job.
I'm new to this channel.
Say
Okay.
just a yo. It's just like I say, yo, go fuck yourself. Hello, you motherfucker. You know what I'm telling you about. This kind of a... Just be gentle, you know. Are you talking to your girlfriend like that as well? Or to your mother, your father, stepfather, or whatever?
How am I supposed to know?
I am standing up front of the toilet and trying to pee in, but I need to actually be myself to let you know this is the wrong speech in the front of. Nothing more. Next time to say, hello unknown sir. Who the hell do you think you can drive like that? And it's even fun then. But just to say, yeah, because I'm from maybe Jamaica or something. Bullshit. Nobody talks to me like that. I'm a white boy from a farmhood from Bavaria, Germany, and you don't know even where Germany is. Blah.
If you
blah.
can beat me in a 1v1, then you can trash
Alright,
talk me.
correct your balls. And we start again with the speech. But I'm standing in front of the toilet and try to pee. World. Beard. Yeah. I'm good, I'm fine. I think. When the piss is out. Oh, what happened? Maricate.
Stop being a pussy and 1v1 me. RN.
The good thing is, I'm not looking for boys or girls. I don't care about everywhere. I don't care about nothing. I have no
If you
friends,
have
no
the balls.
family. I have nothing. So I just want to try to say, don't do that. Don't make this yaw.
To do it.
You meet me the first time and you make yaw. What is this? You want to shit on me or you just want to say something with this? Weird, man, weird. Stop doing that. I hope you like get molested about you in the school or something with that. Man, you're a gangster. Forget it. I'm not
1v1
even
now.
gangster, dude. I'm not even gangster. I'm German Bavarian. We're living a different lifestyle, dude. Have luck, man. I have earplugs in my ears. I'm listening to Spotify. Spotify actually very loud music. I understand the half, even a quarter actually. What are you talking about? And I'm standing still in front of the toilet. I'm just pissed off about your manners, man. I'm pissed off about your manners.
Do I care?
Most people's actually listening about or watching about this one because I'm playing this video game. And all this between toddlers and
play music.
You're not stopping, right? You're not stopping talking. Okay, you banned, man. You banned. If I'm coming back and listening about what do you just actually write down actually in commentaries, you'll get banned. Your manners are just a being piece of shit. Okay? That's all. I think your father and mother are 24 and 26. I'm 38, man. Stop talking like to me like that. With your. You're 6 years old or something. You're. To piss me off after 9.5 hours construction work, like this one, and I'm German Bavarian, not speaking German. Yeah, I'm speaking 100% German, but maybe 35% with my IQ of 136 to speak like that out this English part. Seriously, you must be nuts to actually have a child around and starting up a conversation actually like this one. I can't even pee like that. I'm so disappointed about these manners around the world. And the most people I know, these underage actually playing this video game. What the fuck? Learn,
Okay,
get teach
bad,
manners.
sorry,
Stop
know, but still
talking when I'm trying to speak. What is your problem, man? Don't all the times accuse yourself with something else.
Underage.
Who the fuck you are? You're the president of your American nations? You as the motherfuck a-holes? Shut the fuck up! Let me talk! I was pissing, now I'm coming back. How you make me aggressive like shit? Must be one of these assholes again. Let me know. What you want, man? A one-on-one. Yeah, you can stop before I actually talk to you. Shut the fuck you to. Do I care? Yeah, do I care? What I care? Man, you banned for life. And I hope you lost actually your fucking channel. And good night and good have a nice time. Fucking hell, you talking shit. What a piece of shit, man. It's kind of these motherfuckers that don't kind of know yourself. Talking his mother like shit like as well is in hand. Shut the fuck up, asshole, okay? You know what? I let them know. I was in the toilet, he was talking shit, I couldn't know about that one. If I have somebody around on me, normally you get banned for a lifetime. So you gotta get, you fucking shit. He's just molesting me. You couldn't stop talking, right? You totally get actually banned for YouTube as well. Bye. Have a nice time. In the next 24 hours, you just get fucked up. If you're just living in America, you really get fucked up. Because you're PC, because you're just consuming about whatever you're dealing done with. There's somebody coming by, open up the door, nobody cares, and no charges come in. Your computer system is getting away. You really get fucked up. Because I have a little connections in here. And you're a little piece of shit. You're talking really piece of shit to me. You're done. Tadaimasko, Nishiko Daiwa. Verdammter Dreckhaufen, du elendiger. So, Scheiß Kuckucksklan, Scheiße, brauch ich mir nicht angeben, Alter. Das ist ein Mistkerl, Alter. Bin ich auf dem Scheißhaus, ich kann nicht mal das lesen. Ich höre laut Musik und ich kann nicht mal listen, Alter. Was der da redet, Alter, für eine Scheiße. Red ich? Quatsch, der 18 Mal dazwischen. Ihr sollt dir so aufs Maul hauen. Du sollst so Dünnschiss bekommen, du Idiot. So Dünnschiss, Alter, dass dir gar nicht mehr anders geht. Ich hoffe, am nächsten Tag mobben sie dich richtig hart. Jo! Jo! Wie ist kotzen, Alter! So, ich hab die Schnauze voll von den
Face
Idioten.
purple crying.
Jetzt weiß ich auch wieder, wo ich wieder bin. Ein Bullshit-Wein hier, ey.
TNT non-stop bullshit unit.
Krieg Kratze, Alter. Ohne Scheiße, krieg Kratze. Kannst dich noch mal äußern, du asozialer Idiot.
Brew, what's all the hate about?
Got patience right now to talk. Before something happened in 24 hours for you, man.
Why your speech was so fucked up? I was on toilet. And I got earplugs and headset on. How Schultz I listened to 3 times stuff. To let me so pissed off at that moment I saw of sale. Bro, fix you grammar. So, what you want from me as a German? One v one. That all. I'm on single career mode. For my good in 4 months to do my third platinum on PS4. Cheers. How many flags you have in career mode? Got 2 Shyam's platinum on 2x since 3 days ago. You need 860 flags for platinum.
Now I need to drink, man. She's off campaign. That's Robbie
No.
What?
You need 20.
You talking shit, man. 20 flags. Yeah, sure. For half platinum, you need actually 860. I'm done with you, man. You must be your children, man. Go fuck yourself with the shit you're talking about. Go further account, I know what I'm talking about.
To play multiplayer you need 20 flags.
Must be cross or something.
Can you go to multiplayer? I need to see something. I got no friends, I hate multiplayer. Just go there. I want to 1v1 you. This is my 3-4 PSNX I use for a platinum pad scam game. I don't care your shit multiplayer lie. Speak German next. Try. I can't. I do 4 languages. Sleep not a child. Plus there's multiplayer. Trust me. Emoji exploding head, emoji cool smile. Just look. MP is useless. Only team up for police versus racer. Brew. You're missing out on the real fun. Dude, it's 2218. Relieve me. I was already 10 hours at work. This is my chill time.
Children's. Yeah, definitely, man.
I'll say it one more time. You. Give me buzz.
You know Silent Hill? If you aged up enough, in my village here right now, and between Ingolstadt and Munich, we have actually fog like you never believe it, but it looks like actually Silent Hill. You got that in America? Where are you from anyway? India? Don't scam me, man. I don't know where I'm living for. Jetzt mach keine große Nummer draus und verpiss dich endlich mal. Verpiss dich endlich! Du langweilst mich, man. You really get that cheddar cheese actually into your brain. I don't really want to talk about that one, man. Normally in Germany I was saying, hey, yeah. In New York, normally you get a shot in your fucking face. And then coming of age, actually not going to jail. Next day, I shoot your brother. Fucking mother. Leave me alone. America is so chilly, right? You don't know what we're going through in Germany. 3 times more work we're getting done as the New York guys, American guys. Talking about a second job, I have to laugh, man. The food is costing more actually earned in a month. We in Bavaria, Germany, and Germany itself, we have a little problem here. Against like, you working 3 times more the food costs. Have fun! And you Americans are living in your dreamland. You don't know where Germany even is. You say, made in China. That's Asia. You know where New Zealand lives at? Or Mongolia? What you saying? Oh, yeah, Russians. Russia is nearby. Sure. You wanna really fuck me up? Let me know your name, your age, and then we can talk. To say only, yeah! That must be actually neutral for you. Americans, or where are you actually from? Venezuela? Pinto puto, you're from Chile, or where are you from, man? Maybe from actually a nigger land, actually Africa? I don't know where you're coming from, man. I give a fuck. I pay my taxes for actually other worldwide countries. We don't want to actually pay taxes for you assholes. You Americans bomb everything, and we have to build it up, we Germans. And you're talking very worse to us, you piece of shit. Now that's a really fucking horsey shit. Fuck Italy, fuck France, fuck Great Britain. But the Germans, yeah, the Germans, the Finland and Sweden are just eating done with that shit. Don't talk to me like actually we are horses. We pay the most money, you Americans. You piece of shit money making, creating shit. Sloppy fucking cheaters. You're only making war because actually you to build bound actually your fucking weapon lobby. You piece of bitches. We Europeans, we stay together. As America not even stands once together. Not even a fucking over road or a block or whatever you're calling. You hate black, you hate white, you hate everything. Fuck you fucking Americans. You have some synonyms and called friends. A unit you can't destroy. That's why you're calling us DefNation. I'd like to bath in the river of frost. But not in Italy. Oh yeah, this is a short race, of course. Nice one, I know. Thank you very much. I thought actually it's a 2-minute race. Next. Can you follow what I'm talking about? Thought actually it's a 2-minute race. Ah, it's a short one. Oh, be careful about it. Ooh. But sure this car can't even done that one. Oh yeah, it actually can. Oh no. I didn't know about the 30 seconds. These piece of shit game don't let you know how far you have to drive. Ah, he's gone for good. Thank you very much. Now I get a message actually get banned off of YouTube now. These Americans thinking all the time they are the lead. No. They're losing his life when I'm talking. The undercover boss. No, I got a great day. Nothing. Oh! Cracked myself. Wrong. I'm losing. Don't grab him! Ah, doesn't matter. Unlimited tries. So much fun. I thought actually I can hit him on the roof. Nope. Get away with that triangle shit. That's what it is. Bullshit. When is this coming? Complete race 7 and the class D master. D master. Oh, that's the D master. Oh, that's fun. It's late. It's actually half 11 o'clock, man. 1 hour maximum. That's it. I'm gone off then. Have fun. Let's have a good time.
Meep meep.
Money cash in. One versus one is not even possible in this game. You must be a really addicted idiot. What a piece of shit. I'm playing this game since 4 months. You're playing the game since 7 years. Go fuck yourself, man. You have no actually been something special. You are just being a piece of shit. Shut the fuck you talking, man. You are just talking to somewhere else, but not to my asshole anymore. Shut up, you idiot. You get banned anyway on YouTube, so have fun. Eventually. Cliffhanger. Oder ich bin so kurz davor, dass ich sage, okay, Tequila, ich mach den ganzen Scheiß nochmal. Der Typ, der hat mich richtig echt... Was für ein Idiot das eigentlich ist. Also sorry. So ein Kotzen solche Leute.
Go with Satan or Pisic.
that actually song into my
URL.
playlist as well. Legend UX. Just, you know, I just put it on this top chat, live chat. Pop it on. Yeah, the playlist. You can listen on it. Spotify. Got me earplugs. Got the headset on for the game. That's it. That's my actually being normally not so being aggressive, but do whatever you want. You're just pissing me off with these yo. I'm born in March. I'm a Pisces, so fuck off this shit with yo. The hell you are. Better things to deal down with? I don't think so. You just lost. And Car X normally. If I'm on Car X, people know me where I'm going and what I'm dealing done with. But to play actually this game, I'll be ashamed. It's a childish game for toddlers, youth peoples, that's it. But so many people's actually over 50 years old and playing still the game after 20 years. Then let them drone down actually. Like, what's your age?
My age R38.
Shut the hell up. And I'm playing this game since 4 months. Since 4 fucking months. On 4 accounts. And already got 2 times platinum. What is wrong with you, idiot? You have an IQ of 20 or something? I don't know what's really going on. Whoa! Okay, that's weird. How about to pause? Fuck, that drifting, man. I totally forgot. Nobody remembers me that one. Let's do it again. I love drifting, man. Thought let's just win. Nobody remembers me that one. that's very bad. 74,000 was my record. The calling dodge. Das zählt schon, ne? Du Hurensohn! Ja, dann zählt's, ne? Ach, halt das Maul, Alter. Ich könnte schon echt über den Kopf kotzen, Alter. Da weißt du von nix, aber passt schon, ne? Passt schon! Halt doch dein Maul, Alter. Ich hab die Schnauze voll von dem Spiel. Schaut da hier keiner mehr zu. Und auf Wiedersehen. Fickt euch ins Knie und haltet euer Maul. Tschüss euch. Kein Bock mehr auf euch. Macht er schon.